Today we'll talk about how can you enable live notifications on your KickUp. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, click on it. When you just click on it here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, just click on notifications here. So then it's going to take you to next step here. You come to live. So then you click here in this sign. So that like you see here, this color show for us. That's mean here live notifications enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So that's all you have to do to enable your live on your KickUp. So thank you for your watching.